Hey guys, it is Wednesday technically, or whatever day you're watching this. Miss LaFuente is clearly not at school, so we're doing an indoor science lab. So stay tuned and watch what's going to happen with some shadows, and we're going to make our predictions. So make sure you have your Google slide copied and pasted, and we're going to go ahead and jump in. All right, guys, let's figure out why shadows are created. All right, hit the lights, my lovely scientist. Boom. All right, guys. So moving forward, our notebook page. So the first thing we're going to look at is, does light pass through it? We're going to look for a book. Go ahead and make your prediction for a book. And go ahead and make your prediction for if a glass of water, if light will pass through that. All right, we're going to go ahead and pause for a little bit, and we'll get started here in a second with that. There it is. Here's our light. Obviously, here's my hand. So we have one of our first objects. Scientists, please put the first object in front. The first object is a book. So the book, let's go ahead and place in front of the light. The light we're going to model as our sun. So our book is going to be right here. Now take a look. Is it casting a shadow? First off, is light passing through it? That's the first question. Does light go through this? And next question, is it casting a shadow? Go ahead and write down your results as we speak. All right, we're gonna go ahead and make sure. Does light pass through it? No, we saw that it was very dark. Well, my prediction could have been yes, but the actual result is a no. And if you guys want to make that bigger, just keep pressing the plus. Now, predict for a glass of water. I'm going to say that no, light will not pass through it. So let me get my glass of water. My lovely scientist, can we get our glass of water? And we're back. So go ahead and get our lights for us. So our next one, besides a book, is a glass of water. So does light pass through it? Does light pass through that? Interesting. Does light pass through that? I'm thinking so. And next, is it casting a shadow? Can you see where this lovely glass is by its shadow? Can we see that? All right, go ahead and write your results as we speak. And so now we're going to test our plastic wrap, and we're going to see if light goes through plastic wrap. Plastic wrap you can usually find at the grocery store. It looks very clear. It's kind of what you put on top of certain objects so you can keep them fresh, certain foods to keep them fresh. So let's take a look. I have clear plastic wrap. Will my light go through it? So is light going through this? For sure. But is it casting a shadow? Do you see a difference at all? Do you see any shadow? All right, mark it down. Write down your information. We'll do that in class. Next thing, wax paper. I don't have wax paper, so I'm using a grocery bag. So here we go. First things first, we rip it. I'm ripping part of it so we don't see where I got it from. Dollar Tree. But I don't need the whole thing. So here we go. The point of a plastic bag is that it's not super clear. So we can see that my plastic bag is not that clear. So we'll talk about if it's translucent or transparent or opaque soon. So first off, does light pass through it? Can you see the light going through? Hopefully, right? I can see that light. Next, does it make a shadow? I move it. Can you see it? Interesting.
It looks like.
All right, go ahead and write your information as we. All right, guys. So now that we've done our actual experiment, I want us to take a look at our actual digital notebook. Write down your prediction and make sure you pick the actual information that goes in that spot. Write the actual results, and we will talk about opaque, translucent, and transparent. Thanks for watching. And thank you to my awesome science partner. Yeah. Science rules, right?
Yes.
Bye, guys.